This is the gift of shrines. Bakit dinarayo ang mga dambana? Dahil ito ay nagbibigay ng kapaligiran sa di natin inaasahan na mangyayari sa ating buhay. Umaakyat tayo sa dambana ng Birhen ng Antipolo. At sa ating pag-akyat dito, nararanasan natin where prayer is valid. Masarap magdasal. Masarap manahimik. At kung titingnan at dadamahin natin ang mga poste sa ating paligid, mararamdaman natin almost living the inspiration and the presence of God, of the Holy Spirit. The walls of shrines speak of prayers. The walls of shrines and pilgrim sites are constructed by prayers and by holiness. Kaya dito sa mga dinadalaw nating mga dambana, ang unang-una nating nakikita at nararamdaman is holiness. Sa pagtingin natin sa mga altar ng dambana, nangungusap ito sa atin. Ipinahayag more powerfully the presence of God. Kaya sa dambana, meron tayong duty to preserve its beauty, because the beauty we behold speaks of the presence of God. We are being inspired by the holiness of this place. Prayers are silently heard, but angels, all of them are here, joining us in our adoration and in our journey. We are in a pilgrim. Man is always in a pilgrim until he reaches the final destiny of this pilgrimage, heaven. Our final destiny in this earth is to love. Let's create that space that becomes the shrine in our hearts, where we are always held in ambush. Magnilay tayo.